Hi members, I am Marvin, your Samsung member stars, and today we're going to review the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Almost 1 week ko na rin siya gamit as my personal driver, and I will tell you guys ang aking experience, my personal takes, and also we're going to check ang kanyang mga bagong features, camera testing, and other stuff pa na gusto nyong malaman about this device. So, let's go! What I really love about S series is yung camera niya. Kaya rin bumili ako ng sarili kong S device kasi nga super ganda ng camera niya. And let's see if ano ba yung kinaibahan niya compared from its predecessor last year, the S35 Ultra. Since ito yung gamit ko ngayon, pang film nitong video. And ayun, ang tanging masasabi ko lang is mas maganda yung front cam nito ngayon. And ako mahilig ako mag-take ng selfies, mag-selfies kung saan-saan. Napaka-helpful talaga ng malinaw na camera for selfies. And I think may binago sila sa camera niya sa front, kaya ang ganda niya tignan. Try ko i-compare later yung result ng front camera niya. And ayun din yung isa kong concern from S24 dati na medyo yung outcome ng camera niya in the front is super parang hindi siya smooth tingnan. And on my experience on this S26 Ultra is, ayun, napaka-linis and napaka-ganda tignan nung front camera niya. And one thing I would also comment about the camera is itong bump niya. Parang sobrang kapal niya na. Hindi naman sa sobrang kapal. Ito yung wobbly niya kapag nilapag mo sa, sa lamesa. Ayan. Basta yun. Medyo makapal yung camera bump niya. Pero hindi naman siya nakaka-affect sa experience niya while using social and gaming kasi nga nandun lang naman siya. And ayun din, ganda rin nung binalik nila yung still. Basta yun, kasi yung sa S25, medyo makapal yung bilog niya, yung ring. And ngayon bumalik ulit sila sa ring kagaya nung sa S24 and nilagay nila ng parang medyo bumpy nga. Sabi ko medyo bumpy siya kapag inilalapag. Pero that's okay naman since hindi naman naka-affect sa performance. That's what I love about this device. And ayun, let's see kung ano ba talaga yung result ng mga camera shots nitong S26 Ultra. I will also show yung mga from past events and yung mga clips na meron ako sa phone na to. Especially when I'm going on concerts. And yeah, I hope you will see the comparison between the two phones. Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, meron talaga siya. Ayan. So, isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito is yung bago niyang feature, which is yung privacy display. Ayan. So, as someone na ayaw ko talaga makita yung ginagawa ko sa device. Nagagamit ko siya sa public transportation, especially kung ayaw ko makita ng friends ko yung ginagawa ko. Kasi nga, privacy nga yun, di ba? So, ayan. Napakaganda yun. Kasi, pwede ko siyang tanggalin kapag di ko naman siya kailangan. So, I just need to click this one and yeah, wala na siya. Pwede na makita ng iba. So, isa pa sa nagustuhan ko na bago niyang features is yung horizontal lock mode. Like, ang stable nung result ng mga video niya kapag naka-on yung horizontal lock mode. Like, talagang hindi mo mahahalata yung movement kapag gumagalaw, para ka naka-stabilizer. Grabe yung feature na to. Ayan, isa pa sa feature na nagustuhan ko dito is you can utilize the Creative Studio. So here you can generate creative ideas, references, or even your mga gustong gawin for the day. So if you feel creative, you can use this one. So I will now use the create sticker. Ayan. You just need to type the prompt that you want to show and also select yung mga styles na pwedeng gawin. So we have here pixel, illustration. So I will just use the pixel art. So you just need to input yung dinosaur. Ayan. So ma-generate na siya. Let's wait for it. Ang bilis niya lang. Ang cute ng dinosaur. Ang cute niya. So let's generate sticker set. So nakalagay na rin dito na image generation may produce unexpected results. Since hindi naman ganun ka-stable pa yung AI na we're using, sometimes nag-error siya, nagkakaroon ng hindi maayos. Pero I've been using the AI, Galaxy AI for quite some time and napakaganda niyang AI feature. So ayan, grabe, ang cute! Like, hindi mo akalaing AI generated siya. Tingnan mo. Like, grabe. In just one click, you have this one on your hand na. Isa rin sa nagustuhan kong features dito sa Galaxy S26 Ultra is yung note niya. You can summarize, translate, and auto-format. Also, nandito na rin yung Creative Studio na sinama nila. So, let's see if we want to have an invitation. Ayan. Tech event. Yan. I will create an invitation for my tech event. So, let's see ano yung i-generate niya for me. Yun lang sinilagay ko. Tech event lang. Yung prompt na nilagay ko. So, yan. Oh. Oh. Ganda niya rin, no? So, you can get inspiration on this one. Then, if you click done, nakupunta na siya dito sa sticker note nyo. So, marami pang pwedeng gawin. You can do this. You can draw. Ayan. So, generate image. Ayan. So, yan, grabe talaga yung AI features nitong Galaxy S26 Ultra. As you can see, I just circled the drawing that I have created. And ayun, na-create na siya ng elephant. Kahit pusa yung gusto ko, pero go. And dito, kung makikita nyo, yung S Pen niya is compared sa last year, is may edge na siya dito sa gilid. So, when itsura niya. So, hindi siya similar with the S Pen with last year. Isa pa sa reason kung bakit gusto ko ang S-Series is yung battery niya. And same with last year, it have also the 5,000 mAh. But ang kinaibahan niya is yung charging speed. This S26 Ultra can now support 60 watts wired charging. So it's approximately mabilis siya ng 19 minutes than the S25 Ultra. So ayun, not much changes, pero napaka-goods niya if you really need to charge quicker. And yeah, dito naman tayo sa performance niya. We're using right now the Snapdragon 8 Elite 5 for Galaxy. And napakabilis niya talaga. Kahit naman nung last year mabilis, pero sobrang bilis nito. I've been playing Genshin and some other games and hindi talaga naglalag using this device. So napaka-goods niya. Also, if you want to play games on this device. Isa pa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito is yung kanyang multitasking capabilities. So, ayan. Dahil nga napakabilis ng kanyang processor, I can open different apps simultaneously. And, ayun. Unfortunately, hindi na titanium ang kanyang frame. So, we're using again the aluminum frame for this Galaxy S26 Ultra. But, ayun nga, we have the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for this one. I think wala na masyadong difference, pero may nababalitaan ako na medyo nababakbak yung ano. Pero I know naman na you can guys repair. May free repair naman siya if you guys experience na may scratches yung kanyang gilid. And ayun, for the memory, I will show here on my screen yung mga memory na meron dito sa S26 Ultra. And I think same lang din naman siya with the Galaxy S25 Ultra last year. And yeah, that's everything for our full review for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope this will help you on deciding whether you will upgrade or purchase this device for your personal driver. And I think naman napakaganda niya kahit naman sabihin natin napakaganda nitong device na to. So if you want to purchase this device, I have here a website that you can claim a voucher and have a discount purchasing this. So again, I am Marvin Barrios, your Samsung member stars. So I hope to see you on our future events here with Samsung members. Bye-bye!